Now see the next question, question number 12. Now in this question, in this triangle ABC, circle is subscribed with center O, D, E, F. These are the point of contact for tangent BC, AB and AC respectively. Segment CD, length of segment CD it is given 6 and DB it is given 8. And you have to find length of AC and AB by using this information. Now here point D is point of contact and therefore radius at point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent, means OD is perpendicular to BC. Similarly OE is perpendicular to AB and OF is perpendicular to AC. Now write down the proof. Point A is exterior point for circle and tangent segment from the exterior points are equal, means we can consider AF is equals to AE and therefore AF is equals to AE, and that segment is not given. Here we consider that segment is X. Tangent segments from exterior point which are equal. Similarly, C is the exterior point and therefore CD and CF both the tangent segments are equal. CD is equals to CF is equals to 6 already given. B is the exterior point, BD is equals to BE and that segment is also given, it is 8. Now here we consider the triangle BOC. In this triangle BOC, BC is the base and OD is the height. Means OD is the radius of the circle and which is given 4. Means BC is 8 plus 6 plus 8 it is 14. Means base is 14, height is 4. For triangle AOB, base is AB and height is OE. OE means radius of the circle which is 4. For triangle AOC, OF is the height which is 4, radius of the circle. Means for all three triangles height is same, base is different, and that's why we consider here area of these three triangles. Triangle BOC, triangle AOC and triangle AOB. Area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOB. AOB. Now here 1 by 2 into base is BC into height is 4. 1 by 2, sorry, base is AC here. Here 1 by 2 base is BC into height 4. 1 by 2 base is AB and into height 4. Height is same. Now here 1 by 2 and 4, this factor is common. Consider the remaining values. AC plus BC plus AB is equals to, if you put in here 2 is remaining, value of AC is, see the figure, here this segment is of 6 cm, it is X, it is 8, this AC is equals to 6 plus X, BC is equals to 6 plus 8 and AB is equals to 8 plus 6, sorry, 8 plus X is equals to, now if you take the addition of all these factors, that addition is 12, 20, 28 plus 2x. Again take 2 as a common factor. 2 into 2 it becomes 4. 14 plus x, it is the area of triangle in equation number 1. Now we have to find the area of same triangle by using the Heron's formula. Means firstly we have to find the value of x, and that's why we find the area of triangle ABC in two ways. By using the regular formula 1 by 2 base into height, and now here we find the area of triangle by using the Heron's formula. And for Heron's formula we need the value of semi-perimeter. Here A means 6 plus 8, it is 14. B is equals to 8 plus x, and C is equals to side AC, which is 6 plus x. Semi-perimeter S is equals to sum of all these sides upon 2, 14 plus 6, 20, 28 plus 2x upon 2. 28 plus 2x upon 2 means that value is, if you take 2 as a common factor, 14 plus x, it is the value of S. Now area of triangle ABC by using Heron's formula, it is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and here we have to substitute the values of A, B, C in this formula and to find the value. Now here value of S is 14 plus x. 14 plus x minus A, value of A is 14. S 14 plus x minus B, value of B is 8 plus x. Give the negative symbol for subtraction, and 14 minus C, it is minus 6 minus x, and give the root here. Now here this 14 get cancel, x cancel, and here it is 14 plus x, means this x get cancelled. Now the remaining values are 14 plus x. Here in the second bracket only x is remaining. In the third bracket 14 minus 8 means 6 is remaining. 14 minus 6 means 8 is remaining. Now here 6 4s are 48x into bracket 14 plus x. It is the area of triangle ABC by using the Heron's formula. Give equation number 2. Now in equation first, it is the area of triangle. It is also the area of triangle, means from 1 and 2 you can compare both the values from equation 1 and 2. By comparing this, take the square of this value, you will get 48x into bracket 14 plus x, because root is there, that's why we have to consider the square, and here square of this value is 16 into bracket 14 plus x bracket square, means 4 square and bracket square. If you divide by 16 to this number, you will get 3. 3x multiplied by 4, 42x. 3x multiplied by x, it is 3x square, is equals to, take the square of 14 is 196 plus 28x plus x square by using the identity a plus b bracket square. Now 3x square minus x square, that value is 2x square. 48x minus 28x, that value is 14x, and this 196 becomes negative here, is equals to 0. Now 2x square plus 14x minus 196, it is a quadratic equation. You can divide by 2 to reduce it. Divide by 2, you will get 7x minus 98 is equals to 0. Now factorize this quadratic equation. The factors are x square plus 14x minus 7x. Product is negative, means you can consider here subtraction. 14 7s are 98. 14 and 7, these are the factors. Splitting of the middle terms, and these are the two factors. Take x as a common, x plus 14 minus 7 is common, x plus 14 is equals to 0. Now x plus 14 and x minus 7 is equals to 0. These are the factors, and value of x is equals to minus 14 or x is equals to 7. But x is the length of the segment, that's why negative value is not considered. Here we consider x is equals to 7, and that's why AB is equals to x plus 8, means 7 plus 8, that is equals to 15 centimeter. And the next segment AC is equals to 6 plus x, 6 plus 7, which is equals to 13 centimeter. And these are the required values of the segments AB and AC.